Discover the perfect training solution to gently correct your dog's behavior. The best choke collar for dogs offers effective control, durability, and safety, making it an essential tool for responsible pet owners and dog trainers alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Herm Sprenger Dog. The Herm Sprenger Dog Training Collar is a premium option for pet owners seeking a humane and effective way to guide their dog's behavior. Designed with both functionality and comfort in mind, this prong-style collar is equipped with a click-lock fastener that allows for quick, easy application and removal. No need to pull the collar over the dog's head. This is especially helpful for dogs who dislike having collars forced over their ears. A key feature that sets this collar apart is its 360-degree swivel ring, which prevents tangling or twisting of the leash during walks, offering superior flexibility and control. Crafted in Germany, this training tool reflects the precision and reliability Herm Sprenger is known for. It's made with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust, even in wet or humid conditions. The collar fits dogs with neck circumferences of up to 15 inches and can be adjusted easily by removing or adding links. Up to 4 can be removed and additional ones can be purchased separately. This adjustability makes it versatile for growing dogs or multiple pets of different sizes. The collar is designed with a center plate and an assembly chain that work together to apply even pressure around the dog's neck, making corrections feel more natural and less aggressive. This subtle feedback helps guide the dog's behavior without causing pain or stress, making it a valuable tool during training sessions or on regular walks. For optimal results, the collar should fit snugly right behind the dog's ears. Number 2. Herm Sprenger Black. The Herm Sprenger Black stainless steel prong collar is a top-tier training tool built for dog owners who value both style and performance. Featuring an elegant matte black finish, this collar combines aesthetics with function, offering a firm yet gentle way to communicate with your dog during walks or training sessions. Constructed from German stainless steel, it guarantees durability, strength, and rust resistance for long-term use, even in outdoor or wet environments. Sized at 23 inches in length and 3.2 millimeters in thickness, this collar is ideal for small to medium-sized dogs. Adjustability is a key advantage. Up to 4 links can be added or removed to perfectly tailor the fit. The interlocking links each feature 2 blunt prongs that apply consistent pressure around the dog's neck, mimicking the natural corrections a mother dog would give her pups. This makes the correction feel more instinctive and humane, unlike the harsh jerk of traditional choke chains. The collar's integrated swivel ensures that your leash won't twist or tangle, providing more freedom and control while walking. For sizing, measure your dog's neck just below the ears and add 2 inches to get the correct fit. This ensures the collar rests high on the neck, where it's most effective, distributing pressure evenly for gentle but firm correction. Made in Germany by Herm Sprenger, this collar reflects the brand's world-renowned standards in craftsmanship and dog training equipment. Every detail, from the slightly beveled prong tips to the corrosion-resistant coating, is designed for both pet safety and handler ease. Number 3. Herm Sprenger Ultra Plus. The Herm Sprenger Ultra Plus prong dog training collar is specifically engineered for larger breeds and dogs with powerful necks. With a heavy-duty design that measures 25 inches in overall length and uses a robust 4mm wire gauge, this collar is built to handle dogs with neck sizes up to 21 or 22 inches. It's an excellent choice for owners seeking better control over big, strong dogs during walks or structured obedience training. Made from chrome-plated steel, this collar is not only visually striking, but also corrosion-resistant and highly durable. It's designed to withstand daily use, no matter the weather or terrain. What really sets this model apart is the center plate construction and symmetrical prongs that provide balanced pressure around the dog's neck. This design ensures that corrections are distributed evenly,
reducing the chance of injury or discomfort while maintaining effectiveness. Adjusting the collar is straightforward. Simply add or remove individual links to get a snug yet comfortable fit. Herm Sprenger recommends adding 3 inches to your dog's neck circumference to determine the appropriate size. When worn correctly, the collar should sit high on the neck, just behind the ears for optimal results. Proper placement and fit ensure that your dog receives gentle corrections that are easy to understand and respond to.
Number 4. Herm Sprenger Prong. The Herm Sprenger Prong dog training collar stands out with its smart, quick-release design and emphasis on both comfort and training efficiency. This model is designed for dog owners who want hassle-free functionality combined with the trusted effectiveness of Herm Sprenger's Prong system. A custom-designed buckle allows you to quickly secure or release the collar, ideal for dogs that don't tolerate traditional over-the-head application. Built for humane training, this collar distributes even pressure through its center plate and symmetrically arranged prongs, ensuring no single area receives excessive force. This makes it a gentler alternative to flat collars or traditional choke chains that can cause harm when used improperly. The pointed pressure encourages dogs to respond to commands without pain, helping curb behaviors like pulling or lunging in a controlled, safe manner. Made in Germany with quality engineering, this collar uses durable materials that hold up to active training environments. The 10 strategically placed prong links ensure that the correction remains effective no matter the leash angle, giving you confidence and consistency in communication. It's suitable for behavioral correction, basic obedience training, or reinforcing established skills in your dog. Number 5. Herm Sprenger Chrome. The Herm Sprenger chrome-plated steel prong collar offers a classic heavy-duty design tailored for dogs requiring a firm but humane training approach. With a wire gauge of 4.0 millimeters and a total length of 25 inches, it's ideal for dogs with neck sizes up to 21 inches. It's especially effective for large breeds or strong pullers that need a bit more structure during walks and obedience sessions. This collar is constructed from chrome-plated steel, giving it not only a sleek, polished appearance, but also superior resistance to rust and corrosion. It's built for strength, ensuring reliable performance in both indoors and outdoor environments. The hallmark of this collar is its quick-release snap, which makes it incredibly easy to put on and remove, saving time and reducing stress for both dog and owner. It provides subtle corrections that help guide behavior without causing pain or fear. Made in Germany, the Herm Sprenger Chrome Prong Collar reflects the brand's commitment to quality, precision, and effectiveness. It's a widely respected choice among dog trainers, behaviorists, and owners seeking a balanced way to control their pets without harsh methods. You can also adjust the collar size by adding or removing links, which allows it to grow with your dog or be used for different pets. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon